This is Project Mexico 1, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Mexico 1 is finished in a stunning full gloss Grezmere green with silver and black accents all around. Mexico 1 sits on 16-inch Wolf steel wheels painted in Cornish cream with BFG rugged terrain tyres. This 110 also features a front runner roof rack, classic front bumper, 4 LED spotlights up front and 1 work light at the rear. Inside, Mexico 1 features an OEM steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 Puma Classic front seats, a 60/40 split mid-row, and 2 forward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Garrett Evian oat leather, stitched together in sand. Mexico 1 is powered by our GM LS3 430 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout.